In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Shopify banner in Canva. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening Canva and logging into your account. Once you're signed in, set the right dimensions for your banner by clicking Create a Design and choosing Custom Size. For a full-screen desktop banner, enter 1920 by 1080 pixels. For a standard website banner, 1200 by 400 pixels works well. After you type in the dimensions, click Create New Design to open a blank canvas. From here, you can either choose a template or build your own design. Use the search bar to look for banner templates, assets, or switch to the Elements, Photos, and Text tabs to assemble a custom layout. Keep in mind that important text and visual elements should be centered. This helps them display correctly on different screen sizes and keeps the message visible on phones and larger monitors. Stick to your brand's colors and fonts to maintain consistency, and place a clear call to action that tells visitors what you want them to do next. When your design looks right, prepare to download the file. Click the Share button, then select Download. Choose PNG or JPG as your file type. Both are widely supported and produce crisp images. Aim to keep the file size under 1 MB for faster load times. If the image is large, use the download options to reduce quality slightly, or resize within Canva to shave off kilobytes without noticeably affecting appearance. Save the file to a location you'll remember. Now move over to Shopify and log into your admin panel. Navigate to the theme editor by going to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize next to the theme you're currently using. In the theme editor sidebar, look for the section labeled Image Banner Slideshow or something similar. The exact name varies by theme. Click on that banner section in the sidebar, then select Select Image or Upload Image in the image settings. Upload the banner file you downloaded from Canva and wait for it to finish uploading. After the image is in place, use the theme editor settings to fine-tune the appearance. Adjust banner height to control how much vertical space it occupies. Tweak image overlay opacity so text stays readable over complex backgrounds. And set content alignment to keep headlines and buttons placed where you want them. Finally, save your changes and preview the store on both desktop and mobile to confirm everything looks correct and is readable. Small adjustments to alignment and overlay often make a big difference, so revisit the editor if something looks off. That's it. Your new Shopify banner is live and ready to welcome visitors.